there were 15 notes in total, and there was a symbol on notes number 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And it was a symbol composed of two, it was called a signature. It was referred to as a signature in the ransom notes. There were two interlocking blue circles that were stamped onto the page. They are exactly the size of $50. And in the area of intersection, it was a mark made with a cork. I would say it is between the size of a dime and the size of a pin. You'll read books about it. I've never seen it accurately described. There are two little lines that are in the circles, one in each circle outside the area of intersection, and there are 3 holes punched through the signature. One that pierces the red dot and cork mark, and then the other two to the just outside the edges of the blue circles. And so this was a way that Lindbergh could know, and the police could know, that they were dealing with the bona fide kidnappers of their son rather than with copycats.
Where were the ransom notes discovered?
Well, the first one was left on the windowsill of the baby's nursery, and then the others were then mailed from different locations. Again, John Knoll is a philatelist, a stamp collector. This is his great passion, and he knows all about cancellations, and that he's going to confuse people by mailing some from the Bronx, some from Brooklyn, some from Manhattan, and so forth. So that also is a fact that certainly a philatelist. It's something a clever philatelist would have done.
What's interesting to me is that, in today's day and age, those notes could have been analyzed for different types of forensic evidence, DNA, etc. And obviously, this all occurred well before any of that. I'm interested in how the investigation and the trial would have been different had the crime happened today. So the case, though, was very dependent on handwriting analysis, correct?
Yeah. The most damning things to Hauptmann were, of course, he's found with $14,600 of the $50,000 ransom, and this was most of the money was squirreled away in secret compartments. Most of the money was squirreled away in secret compartments in his garage.
Not a good fact for him.
Pardon me?
It's not a good fact for him, right?
No, not a good fact at all.
Yeah.
And also, there were